Hello everyone, myself Hiran Shaharoy, Vice Principal of Rising Sun Public School, Patkata, Mother Branch, Jalpaiguri. I am here to deliver a short speech on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti today. So today is 2nd October and we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti today, and today is the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and the day is a national holiday in the country. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. People fondly called him Bapu, and he is known for his non-violent ways to fight for independence. Gandhiji completed his early studies in British ruled India and then went on to pursue law in England. He returned to India in 1915 and became a part of the Indian freedom struggle. He led important movements like Champaran Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation Movement, Dandi March, and Quit India Movement. Several events are organized across the country on this day, and school students are performing several programs on this day. Gandhiji's favorite bhajan, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, is usually sung in his memory on this day. And it is a patriotic day, and today is also the birthday of Lal Bahadur Shastri, our second Prime Minister. So we should always maintain the legacy in this day. On behalf of Rising Sun Public School, we pay tribute to them. Thank you.
Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Today is 2nd October. As you know, today is our Gandhi Jayanti. We all remember our Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation, who was born on October 2nd, 1869. Though he left us on 30 January 1948, the world still celebrates his birth anniversary on every year, that is 2nd October, as Gandhi Jayanti. So on this day we'll remember some thoughts of our Gandhi, who taught us a lots of things. So let's review his thoughts. Gandhi Jayanti is one of the most important national holiday in India, and the United Nations has announced that October 2 is to be the International Day of Non-Violence. On this day, people offer tribute, prayers, not only in India but across the world. The greatest tribute we could give our great leader is to practice non-violence and to love every human irrespective of caste and creed. Gandhiji was one of the biggest contributors to India's freedom movement, and his methods for achieving it saved the country greatly. He is even called the father of our nation. That is why his legacy is honored not only in India but all over the world. So I request all my dear students to follow the path of non-violence and love and care for your elders and every human being near you. Respect them, speak with them with beautiful words and love them. Thank you.
নমস্কার, আমি শ্রদ্ধাঞ্জলি সাহা, রাইজিং সান পাবলিক স্কুল পাতকাটা মাদার ব্রাঞ্চের একজন সহশিক্ষিকা। আজ 2রা অক্টোবর, গান্ধীজির জন্মদিন। গান্ধীজি আজকের দিনে 2রা অক্টোবর জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন, তাই এই দিনটিকে গান্ধী জয়ন্তী হিসেবে পালন করা হয়। রাষ্ট্রীয় ছুটি ঘোষণা করা হয় এই দিনটিতে। তার পুরো নাম মোহনদাস করমচাঁদ গান্ধী। আজকে তার জন্মদিন উপলক্ষে আমি তার প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা নিবেদন করে 2 লাইন গিয়ে শোনাচ্ছি। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सहमति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको